Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today working on the Mercedes E-Class again, the W211, and more than 100, probably close to 200 videos coming on this one. So check out the playlist guys. What we're going to show you today, I've seen many of those with broken vents right here, and it looks really bad and ugly because this is it has direct sunlight on it almost all the time when you're outside, and they're very fragile. So we'll show you guys how to remove those in case you need to replace that vent. So right here in the third hole, okay, from right to left, and the second from top to bottom, there is a, okay, let me get the light good so you can see a little bit better. Okay, what you need to do, just 1 second, wiggle it out of the camera. Okay, so right here there is one clip that you need to press down, okay, like that, you can see, and there is another one, same location on this side right there. Okay, perfect. This one, we release that one as well. Okay, and you need to pull towards us just a little bit once you release them. Okay, and after that, you need to lift up. Okay, and you pull it out. Now there is supposed to be 3 glides on the back, one is missing. Okay, so you have this one here and 2 on the sides. Okay, so those are the vents here as well guys, you can see, and let me show you what we just pressed with the little screwdriver, flathead, or a little prying tool, but never ever apply too much pressure because you will break it. When you need to install it guys, it's important to get it right, because you can see those are the holes that it needs to go to. So one person needs to lift it up a little bit in the back and push it in, okay, until it clicks and locks in place and everything looks level, nice and smooth. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.